Morning cactus people. It's a very special day in the cactus house this morning. We've received a parcel, and by the looks of it, looking at the Opuntia wrapping paper, it might have some sort of cactus or succulent inside it. So we've got Grump Bear standing by, and we're very keen to find out what's inside it. But before I do anything, rather than just ripping the paper off, I'm going to pause the video, take the paper off so it's not damaged. Okay, so we've got the wrapping paper off safely, and Grump Bear has informed me that he'd like that as wallpaper for his new potting shed when I get around to building it for him. So we'll hold on to that lovely wrapping paper. It is very special because I've never seen any in the shops like that. I've got a sneaking suspicion that this parcel might be from Daz from Cactimania. I don't know what makes me think that. So I'm prepared for any jack-in-the-boxes that might jump out of here. Oh no, it's okay. Nothing come out. And there's a note. Oh, it says, "Hi Ziggy, I recently came across this item and thought of you. A new member of your crew. His name is Ziggy, and I think he's the Cactus House manager. Also included is some Haworthia I've grown from seed, blimey, and some Euphorbia for your collection. Hope you like, from Daz and Edith, Cactimania." No, I thought it might have been. Smashing Daz and Edith. Let's have a little look then. Right now. Ooh, let's open the big one first. Not going to stand on ceremony here. Let's just rip the bag off and see what we've got. Oh blimey. Now, will you just look at him? Excellent. Yes, he looks like me. At least the hair was the right colour for when I was younger. Smashing, absolutely super. Did you knit this one, Dad? I didn't know you could knit as well. It's fantastic. I think you better meet Grump Bear. Grump Bear, what do you think? Hello. You're not from round here, are you? Yeah, but I'm getting into the place. I might like it here. So, smashing stuff. Anyways, enough from those two. And let's see what's in the box. Ooh. Lovely little package. Haworthia Hakuma. X across to Tsukiji, I think it is. Looks, that could be Japanese, not too sure there. I've never had a Haworthia before. I'm really not quite sure what to expect here. Daz must have noticed that I've acquired a few succulents by hook or by crook. Ooh, that's interesting. No, I've definitely not seen anything like this one. Or three, I should say. Fantastic. Let's just hold those up to the camera. Absolutely super. So I've no idea how to look after these, so I'm going to have to look up what sort of mix they want, what sort of compost and everything before I do anything, so I won't be doing that at the moment. And what I will do, it's quite sunny in here at the moment, so I'll put them out of the direct sunlight. As they've got bare roots, I'll just cover those over a little bit. And the next one, very nicely packaged as Euphorbia opuntoides. Now that sounds like a cross between the Opuntia and the Euphorbia, which is not technically possible, but it sounds good. It's very nicely packaged as. It's like Christmas in April. Blimey. Wow. Oh, there's two of them. Now, if you weren't expecting, put those carefully there. To the untrained eye, you would think those were euphorbia pads. Opuntia pads. They indeed do look like them. It could even be convergent evolution. Yeah, it's a euphorbia, which is fantastic. I'm hoping once they're rooted up, they can actually go alongside the Opuntias. Getting confused now. So that is absolutely super, Daz. Thank you very much. So I shall put those, actually, I'll put them with the other one for now, and then look up how I can root those, whether they'd be better in compost or just grit for the time being. But that's absolutely super. Let's just clear the stage. And so thank you very much, and a wave goodbye from our new member of the Cactus House crew. Thank you all. I'll speak to you in the next video. Hello?